And we're coming up on a break.
That shower felt magnificent. I'm about to eat. My husband just got out of the shower. Yeah, so we're about to turn this TV on and find something to watch and relax because we can. As soon as my mother-in-law stop calling for the 50th time. So let's make ourselves comfortable on the sofa. Turn on some TV. Good morning. It's Tuesday. We're still in Costa Rica. I am well rested. We woke up early, watched the sun come up, did some other things, and laid back down not to come nap. Here, it's 9:45, I think. Yes, it is, according to the clock. I want to say where we stay, it's 8:45. I can't remember, but we are finally getting up to go find us something to eat. Because your girl needs some food, okay? Hungry. Last time we found that Mexican food, that burrito, that joint was so good. It was so delicious. I don't know what we're going this morning. I wouldn't be mad if we went back to the same place. Because the food was so good. My husband's out there currently smoking him a Marlboro Light. Honestly. We're in the store now, grocery store, getting food so we can cook today and tomorrow since we don't plan to move. Well, not today, tomorrow, tonight and breakfast since we don't plan to leave the house. My husband's gonna find juice. I'm looking for something to eat. Snacks. Is that like a cake like thing here? Huh? You want oranges?
Cook breakfast or what? Go ahead. Huh? Well, we ain't really got to come out of the morning.
That works for me. What is this? This is so good. You wanna try this? You wanna try it? I don't need them anymore.
Some warm up food, chicken tenders or something.
Yeah. Nah, they food not that expensive.
Huh?
I said they food.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait.
Today it is, I want to say Wednesday, 26th. Actually, our anniversary today. We really just getting up. It's 12:39. We woke up once already today and went right back to sleep. Okay. It's nice and sunny here in the great country of Costa Rica. We're about to go get some food. Y'all want to cut my hair because I'm about to just completely give up on this hair. I just took me some medicine because I have a really bad headache, and it's mostly here. I don't know why. And my eyes are watering, which sucks. But we're just really just enjoying the house. So probably gonna go get some food and then come back and watch TV. Tomorrow is the day we do all the adventurous stuff, like going to climb in the mountain, even though we're technically already on the mountain. And we booked the massages for tomorrow, and a private shift. Probably, I might think we might do dinner with the chef. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I'm gonna try to convince my husband to let's go get the same food that we had day when we got here, because those burrito tacos were everything that God given. Okay, so we're probably gonna go get that. Have a quick drink with that, and then come back and just relax. That's pretty much all there is to really do on the trip, is relax. We got in the pool yesterday, but the lawn care people ended up showing up. You want me to put some on your back or what? The lawn care people ended up showing up, so we got out the pool and came in the house. So that cut that short, and they were here for like 3 hours or so, very long.
2 days ago.
And they found enough. I didn't check. Like the lady had informed us that morning and told us that they were gonna come by yesterday, but I didn't see it until after they got here. It was fine though. Just let them do their job. Took a while. They cut this entire property with weed eaters and machetes. That's a lot. Okay, I couldn't have did it. I would have quit. Like even when I go to my husband, where's the lawn? I'll ride on the lawn and call that. Don't give me a weed eater because you're not cutting it. And then the sashety thing is beyond me. Yeah, waiting on him to lotion his body, and then we're gonna get food.
Yeah.
And then what we do after we get food?
Oh no.
We can literally just come back and relax some more. If you want to. Because I have a headache soon. And my headache is only here. Oh. I just took my medicine. Hopefully it'll go away soon. Happy anniversary to us. We made it to 11 years without killing each other. Whole years. This is dramatic. Since we last talked, we went out to eat at a Mexican restaurant, came back home, started watching a movie, and then I decided I'm going to cook some dinner. So, I'm cooking some ribeye ras. I don't know what the fuck ras mean, but we're going to hopefully this means steak, because it's what it looks like. Their store here is called Maxi Palais or something like that, but it's actually just Walmart, as you can tell. It's literally just a Walmart brand store. A lot more smaller than the other store, but it's a Walmart store. So, on tonight's dinner list, I'm doing green beans, which are called vanacas, or something like that. The potatoes are going to be roasted. They're called papas, not potatoes, papas. Onion is called, dang, I forgot that quick. What the fuck this shit is called? Rubala? I think it's called Rubala, something like that. And steak with shrimp. So, let's feed this good man a good meal, okay? See if it makes him love me a little more. What are you doing wrong? Is that the laundry detergent or the fabric softener? It's got a hole in the back. Oh, you like this one? Put that in the wrong hole. Miss any people shit. So, let's cook this man a meal. This house literally has everything you need. Now, asked me when the last time I cooked a steak. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't remember. Let's see. In Costa Rica, they don't have the drinks that I drink, like the Moscato. I don't want to say it was not the best Moscato. So, I've drunk this before. It was good. Since I wrote juice. We gonna make this. This has 11% alcohol. So listen to this. Dinner is in the oven cooking. My husband's over there enjoying his time watching TV. Correct? No. He mad because I won't let him get up and do nothing. I told him the rest. Relax. And I'm about to put me a couple of this Concord grape Manisquaski. That ain't all the way cold, but it's cold enough. And we're gonna let them get done. Everything's cooked. The shrimp are cooking in the oven. Well, that's not cooked, it's being cooked. The shrimp are in the oven. I mean, on the stove. The steak is in the oven. I seared on both sides and put it in the oven. And the potatoes are in the oven roasting. The only thing that is done right now is the beans. It still tastes good. It's like good juice. Like Holy Communion. I just gotta, it just needs to get a little colder. But we're gonna try to try that song. Which y'all a little bit. I don't know where we're going hiking at, but we're going hiking. I did get a thing from the lady saying there's a few waterfalls somewhat near. Damn near is not really near. So we might go on those. I guess I'm waiting on my husband to finish doing what he's doing. I don't know what that is. Then let's go hiking. This is day 4 in Costa Rica. And tomorrow is just pretty much travel day, so it's supposed to be our first day here, but we have to leave so early. It's technically just a travel day. And then we plan on staying in Orlando for one day when we get back, and then traveling back home. Costa Rica cigarettes don't play. They want you to know you won't die. Look. That's crazy. It was something, but half the boss gonna be warning label. It's so pretty outside today. It's very sunshiny. Yesterday was a bit cloudy, but today is really sunshiny. But hiking, we might rent some ATVs today if we can. We might be going out to eat. I might cook. I don't know. That steak I cooked last night, y'all, was superb. That steak was delicious. So, I don't know. Might be doing another steak. Who knows? And for the food I bought last night, which was 2 steaks, all the sides to go with it. Seasonings, more wine. It was like $60. You would think that if you come here and you like do currency exchange for United States dollars to Costa Rica Malones, that you would have a lot more money. It tricks you into thinking that. I think we did like 150 currency exchange to colones. We had like $100 and something thousand, which was not, which is not much money at all. Like the burrito tacos that I ate yesterday, I want to say it was 2 burrito tacos was 55,000 colones. Okay, so they go really quick. We got a whole bunch of quarters, like $quarter looking colones in the car, which are considered $100, $500, $50, $25. And yeah, colones don't go far at all. So we're not doing any more currency exchanges right now. Probably just to like be able to take some back home as a like collectibles item. We might do some currency exchange. Other than that, we ain't doing no more. You ready? So let's go on this hike. Where we going? It's a waterfall we can go hike at. A waterfall.
Well,
The thing says like 30 minutes from here.
so we're good at my first and then we'll hit waterfall.
Let the daughter run her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand. And don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven.
What would lead? Yeah, I got you.
Teach her how to jump and how to
Tell me if the snake pops out of nowhere, let it bite you first. Give me time to run.
Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher.
I don't have shoes for hiking. I do not have no shoes for hiking.
I thought you had some more shoes.
Fly out the valley and the fire.
Watch out for this root.
You better watch out for that root. That root is gonna kill you.
I stepped on it.
Fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for London.
Yeah, we're not hiking
Show
in
her
that shit.
every door and how the windows let the sun in.
That shit
Copy
looks-
out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you
Oh,
better get your
sideways.
bootstraps up. You're
Like a toddler going down the
ready when
stairs
the truth
for the first
acts out.
time.
Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now.
How
I'm
the monkey
working
got
on
nice
those old
monkey?
things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted
wanna go
like I'm
hiking?
higher than
You get a little creep back.
What the fuck are we even walking to?
Up, up. I told you it was a trail down.
You got me venturing off into.
I told you it was just a trail down here.
Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather
Obviously, this trail was man built. I'm pretty sure it was really natural.
want you
Because
simply
they can't out here to chop it up.
I need to get away now.
We gonna hope that's them up there building that house and that's not a big ass fire.
Look at the monkey.
Who idea is this shit? Oh hell no, we gonna slide down that thing like those things on the Price is Right.
You want me to go down there and look at it first?
Come on. We gotta take it slow, don't slide. Oh Lord. This is what tour guides are for, to let us know we're not gonna die when we get to the end. This shit is not funny. Why is it so funny?
So you want to keep going? Or you want me to do it?
Come on. Guess we gotta die together. Can't go home without you. Your mama gonna say I killed you. This is bad.
I don't think you go no further.
Oh, fuck that.
Stay
No,
right
it's
there.
like a dead end.
Stay right there.
You gonna leave me up here for the shit you can get me?
I'm just gonna go right here. What cross over?
To what? Y'all, we gonna hope that whatever the fuck that noise is some people building that house across from us. Cause that shit sounds like a big ass fly. Look at him, Chris. He's still going.
Come on, bro. We'll go right there. I'm not going to the waterfall. I'm coming.
This looks deadly. This look like this could be stairs. Man-made stairs. We gonna take this route. Don't be looking at stuff too long. You should have asked them Spanish people yesterday what the hell that shit lead to, because that man came down here. We could be walking in the middle of Jumanji.
Maybe. Oh, over there.
We can't go that way. That's a blocked off entrance.
I just said we're finna go this way. That's probably where the monkey's at. That's the sloth sanctuary.
This sloth sanctuary.
I'm finna go over there and see if you see the waterfall.
I thought. I'm about to fuck myself up in here. I'm gonna tell you right now, if I get beat by a snake, you got 10 minutes to get me to a hospital. Or I might just die.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit.
I don't know about waterfall, you can see the river part of it. We are real deal in the fucking jungle. Look at that, y'all.
I take it you don't want to walk down there?
Yeah, Jesus. This is wild. I don't know.
I'll get on there.
We want to go. Come on.
Hold on. Oh. I just said I'd go first.
Come on, no, you got to pull me back up if I die. We could have just went to the waterfall.
Why? This is a jungle waterfall.
The other one is the jungle waterfall. You gotta hike to get to it or take a tour bus. I don't think we should go any further down. We might slide right off in that thing. See? Because it's got that clay dirt. And my shoes ain't got no grips.
Follow my steps. Step right here.
These are not jungle shoes. These are mom shoes.
Well, here go a good picture. You want to take a picture in the jungle?
Not right here. I'm unsteady right here.
Little step down.
Why are we in the jungle? We are Americans. I think this is supposed to be a stairs right here.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna.
Here's organic orange juice. They squeeze the juice out of the orange.
Ooh.
That is organic.
Liquor.
That is organic orange juice.
Oh, that is fresh squeezed orange juice if I've ever had something in my whole life.
That is freshest. Fresh out of the orange.
That is fresh squeezed orange juice. I ain't mad at it though. It's good. That's just the freshest of the freshest orange juice I've ever had in my life.
Just like you will come through and
Y'all, we just had a delicious breakfast. It was so good. Oh my God, it was so delicious. Now we're headed back to the car. We're gonna go find this waterfall. I just told my husband that we're not walking over. He's like, why are we not walking the waterfall? Because the freaking waterfall is an hour and a half hike up. I don't have the shoes to hike a waterfall. And we just ate. So we're not walking up an hour and a half. We're gonna take the tour bus up. You ready? Come open my door, you heathen. I'm just playing, I love you.
Better find somebody to play with. Better find somebody to play with.
Try it again. You want a divorce? You want a divorce? Divorcee. All right, y'all. So let's go find this freaking waterfall. Hike this waterfall. I don't know what we're doing today, but that food was delicious. Yeah, it was so delicious.
In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they.
We are at the water fountain. Are you ready, babe? Let's go. Is it so pretty? Oh my God.
That's awesome.
That is gorgeous. Look at this. Slippery, very slippery.
You got the phone?
Yeah. Hold up.
I want to get close.
Me too. Woo. I chose the wrong shoes to wear out here. Look at this.
Come through and just like you will. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
We're about to leave Costa Rica and head home. This has been a trip to put in the books. It's been pretty amazing. Am I ready to go home? No. Do I miss my little ones? Yes. But that phone is in that bag. You got a little. You taking forever to get dressed. No, we gotta get out of here. Ooh, I didn't do that. But yeah, so we finna get ready to head out of this house and go. I'm gonna put the last load of towels in the washing machine. This house has been beautiful. As y'all can see, my hair looks different. I took my hair out, baby. One thing I learned, don't go on vacation unless you got braids in your hair.
You on vacation with what?
Your baby daddy.
Why?
Because they get on your nerves.
Child.
But he don't consider himself a baby daddy. Make it make sense, Jesus. Anyways, y'all heard what I said. But we're about to leave this gorgeous, gorgeous house and head back towards San Jose because we got to return our rental car.
Actually, motherfucking baby daddy.
I thought you were gonna say that in the beginning, but I guess you want to be classified as a baby daddy, so shut your mouth, baby daddy.
I ain't your motherfucking baby daddy.
Can you come on?
Find you somebody to play with.
You are my somebody to play with.
Alright.
Anyways, I'm so sad to be leaving. I'm gonna miss this view. Like, if I could get my kids to move out of America, we'll move right here. Cause honey, this view out here would never get old to me. Never. But anyways, we finna get in the car. We finna go. We'll talk to y'all on the road. I love y'all. Good morning. It's travel day. Let's go. I'm in a place. We just dropped the car off. We're about to get on this shuttle and get our bus back to the airport. We are like pressing for time. Our plane boards are like 3:16. It is 2:02. So we gotta really hurry up and get back to the airport through customs and ready to board. Okay, so already. Okay, our flight just changed a little bit now. Ooh, I'm scared. My heart. So they changed our gate and our flight departure time.
What's the time of the flight?
The departure's at 4:01 now. But I almost gave me a heart attack, boy. Oh, no, the departure time still the same. The gate changed. So main terminal, gate 20 is where we got to get to the departure time. We start boarding in the next hour and 15.
Her breath mint. Nose gonna run.
I know. I don't need a breath mint. You keep it snug just like that.
Move.
So, we'll see y'all once we probably get on the plane. I don't know yet. Still ain't made my mind up. But this has been a hell of a trip. I've enjoyed myself. But that ride back from the Airbnb, y'all, when I tell you I was scared, is all I do. It took us a mountain, like up to the top of the actual mountain. I don't know which way it took us back, but the way we went ain't the way we came back. And I was terrified. I having to drive up that doggone mountain. Y'all, I'm gonna try to put them clips in there, but my husband took them mostly on his cell phone, so you know how that's gonna look. But ooh, y'all, that thing had my stomach on fold going up that mountain. You would have did one wrong, you would have coming on down. So let's get on this food up. English. Airport, yes.
Airport shuttle?
Yes,
Right.
these two going with us. All right. Oh, gracias. I don't know what my husband. I guess he just went. I don't know what he went. Oh, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I don't want to have to buy another one of those. I don't know, my husband. I guess he just went in there to use the bathroom or something. But y'all, when I tell y'all driving up that mountain, had your girl's stomach on fold.
Yeah, I already put the baggage up.
He took people up. There go my man right there. Come on, give me one more kiss. Give me one more kiss. Hey, what you want to You want to go back some so they can get up here? Oh, well, you sit right there and hang out about me. Isn't he so cute? Hi. So I will see y'all when we get on that plane. So y'all can see how this take-off experience. Oh, Jesus. Come on, love. All right, we've made it through security. And now we gotta hurry make it to our gate. Because I have no clue where it is. I'm still trying to buy stuff. Our plane boards in like a few minutes. Come on, love. Let's get to our gate. It's out. Yeah, we got to swap his head move.
Good slow.
He moved. All right, we'll catch y'all in a minute. We're gonna play. Let's get tired.
When we first came in, I seen
¿Nos salimos?
store.
Yeah,
Soon we came in, they showed
we're going out a different way. I could have slid right on up out of here. These shoes on. I could have slid. My shoes flat. All right, let's find out. Y'all heavy.
Un latte frío, por
So I started to stop, but I have no clue about his minutes. He stopped at like a perfume shop. I don't know if he hopefully he get me some. We don't know. But I stopped at the Starbucks to grab us something. This is like 4 gates away from our gate. And we board like in the next 13 minutes, so we gotta hurry and get down. I don't know where my husband is. He got his board pass anyway, so it is what it is. He need to come up. I have no clue where he is. He still ain't came out of
Yeah, I gave you all you